Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install BepInEx back on Lethal Company. To install it, you have to just visit this website which is called Thunderstore, and this is best right now. And once you're here, just go to the communities, make sure go to the Lethal Company, and here you will see all these mods which is only available for Lethal Company. And here we are in BepInEx back. If you don't get it, you can always search for it and it will always show up. Now click on this picture, right? And here you will get two options: scroll down, install with mod manager or manual download. I will just go with my manual download here. Now as you can see here, the files has been downloaded. Make sure you extract it up, and if you have this in your Steam, if you have the Lethal Company in your Steam, go to your library, right click on it, go to manage, and go here browse local files. And here you can just paste the files and automatically just play the game here or open the application. It will start working out. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.